Alright class, this lesson is going to be about listening, and I'm going to talk about a little bit about improv at the end. So first off, we're going to listen to Blue Monk, which we talked about last lesson and one lesson. We're going to start off by listening to the original. So what are the things you hear right away listening to this song? About style or anything?
There's a piano player in the beginning, and
Okay,
then
piano
it
player.
then it layers, then another person, the bass player comes in, and then saxophone comes in.
Okay.
There's a lot of liberties also with the melody in that one.
Okay, so they're playing around with melody or improv. Anything else? About style, very swung, laid back if you, yeah. I want you to hear a little bit of the tenor sax solo, which is coming up. What are some of the stuff he's doing? Like, what do you hear?
He's using a lot of space in his solo. He's playing and then resting also.
Do you hear him ever coming on downbeats? Like, on the big downbeats? Alright.
He usually comes in right before.
Coming out on the offbeats. Alright. My next version, is Abbey Lincoln and Coleman Hawkins. So right away, what do you hear? Completely different. What
It's
is it?
hazier and like slower.
Different instruments.
Different instruments?
There's also like a, I don't know if it's a trombone or a big trombone playing kind of like a bass line under it.
Like trombone, yeah. I kind of like caramel, kind of thing, right?
And it drives, it's a lot less rushed than the other versions.
Mhm.
More like,
Yeah, a lot of laid back to me.
But it's exaggerated because the other one was also laid back, and this one's just way more laid back.
So you would say it's a completely different style, probably more
It's
bluesy, you know what
Yeah.
I'm saying?
and there's lyrics, so there's vocalists.
Mhm. Keep this in mind for later. We're going to talk about improv. So these ideas, motives. That's Bobby McFerrin singing. So what do you hear right there in this recording?
There's like two melodies going on at the same time, and they're both a little different from each other.
Okay. Alright.
he uses his voice to improvise.
Right. Also, you guys notice how it's very free. You know, hardly any meter, nothing. Very improvisatory. Alright. So now you got a few ideas of soloists and different improv. I wrote out a few rhythmic changes that we're gonna play over the chord changes that me and Juan are gonna play. Right, guys? So I wrote it out for B flat instruments. It's already in concert B flat. So you guys are starting to C and then you change. So I'm gonna yell out the numbers and you're gonna play each number for 4 bars and then you're gonna change. All right? So we're gonna start off. One, two, ready, and. Alright. Now what I want you to do is play number 1 for 4 bars. And then I'm gonna say number 2, and then you'll play that for 4 bars. Alright? So you play number 1 four times. Alright? Let's try that again. 1, 2, ready, and. The skips and arpeggio, so you can use for improv. Now, what we're gonna try to do is, you guys all have the melody from Juan's lesson. We're gonna start off the song with the melody at the head. We're gonna have another improv section and end it, so we're creating our own cover. All right? We're gonna have 1 or 2 soloists in the middle. All right? Here's the blues scale from Juan's lesson. I took the liberty of changing it since we have all clarinets. Changing it to your pitch. So this is your scale. Play it as written. Right? We're gonna start off with a melody which I wrote off the 12-bar progression right here. Let's start off. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and. So we created our own cover of it, and it was very simple. 12-bar progression. It was the head, the coda, and the low improv in the middle.